Hello, art students. It's Mrs. Rodriguez, and welcome to art class. Today, we're going to learn about warm and cool colors. Okay, so we're going to be also learning more about the color wheel and all different types of colors, but we're going to focus on warm and cool colors today and learning them. So we're going to create a warm and cool color fish. Guys, take a look at that. So I'm going to show you how to draw your fish step by step. Okay. Now, things that you're going to need for your project, your supplies, of course, you're going to need paper, you're going to need a pencil, and definitely your colors. So you may use whatever you have. If you have color pencils, if you have crayons, if you have markers, go ahead and feel free to do that. Right, guys? So we're learning about warm and cool colors today. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to switch to my camera so you can see how to draw our fish. So get your stuff ready, okay? And let's draw together. All right, so I'm going to switch. Give me 1 second, guys. Here we go. All right, boys and girls. So here are my colors, here's my paper, and here's our final product, right? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the fish. How are we going to do that? Well, you can draw in the middle of the paper a nice big oval, right? And don't press too hard, okay, because you might want to erase it later on. After that, we're going to draw the fin, which is like a triangle. Okay, and also remember, guys, this is recorded, so you can stop the recording at any time to play back whatever you want to play back. Okay, if you want to see it or if you miss a step. Right, so this is the bottom part of my fish, and it's like, kind of like a little wavy line for that nice fin over there. His tail is like another oval, or not oval, but more of a rectangle. Rectangle. What is Miss Rodriguez saying? She's saying triangle. Sorry about that, guys. His little eye, little fin, like two little bumps, right? Gills. You want to give him a smile, you can. If you're feeling happy. If not, you can leave him alone. It's up to you. But now, what we're going to do next, we're going to draw the waves of the ocean. I'm going to draw some curvy, wavy lines, and they're going to go directly over my fish because we're going to create a pattern that repeats with our warm and cool colors. Right, so I'm going to do that from left to right, fill up my whole paper. I think I'm going to stick one teeny tiny line down here. Remember, you don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. Okay, that's okay. You can change it around. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to trace my fish. And you can use a black crayon. You can use a Sharpie if you want, or a marker. It's really up to you. Okay, and I'm going to trace with my crayon. Give my fish a nice thick outline. Okay, why am I doing that? Well, so we can see our fish, right? We want to be able to see him or her. Okay, here we go. His little fin, his eye, and I'm going to color in his eye, his gills. I'm going to give him a little smile. I don't know. I just feel like doing that today. Okay, and that's the only thing you trace for now, okay? Now, what are the warm and cool colors? Well, we've went over this a couple of times in class before. This is a review. So, warm colors. We got yellow, red, and orange. And you know what, guys? You can use any lighter tones like pink or light orange, dark orange, whatever you want, okay? So that's going to be my warm colors. My fish is going to be warm. And of course, my ocean, because when you think of water, water is blue. Those are going to be my cool colors. So of course, it's going to be blue. And look, it's 2 different shades of blue. Blue, green, and purple. Okay, and it can be different shades. It's completely up to you. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a pattern. So let's say I want the blue to be first. I'm going to color in my wave all blue, right? And let's say the next one purple, and the next one green. Then I'm going to repeat my pattern. Blue, purple, green. Blue, purple, green, right? But when I get to my fish, I'm going to start with my warm colors. See how my fish here? I'm going to start with the pattern red, yellow, and then orange. You can do a different pattern on the fin if you want, you know, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Okay, so here's my finished artwork. So you notice my pattern, red, yellow, red, orange. So I kind of made a nice little pattern there. So you can make up any kind that you like using the warm colors. And then here's my background. Okay, so this is just an exercise to get you used to what the warm colors are and what the cool colors are. So let's write those down real quick, okay? So warm colors are red, yellow, and orange. All right, those are the warm colors. Think of the sun. Think of things that make you feel hot, the desert, right? Now the cool colors, blue, green, and purple, right? The ocean, I guess that looks like waves, right? Our fish, and of course, what else can be blue? Well, maybe ice, right? So those are our warm and our cool colors and our warm and cool fish. Wow, guys, now it's your turn to make some art, right? I'm so excited to see your art, okay? So you can email it to me, you can make a video, you can take a picture, right? And I'm looking forward to seeing what you do next time, right? This is Ms. Rodriguez. See you next time in art class. Miss you. Take care. Bye-bye.